Take 2 cups of flour and slightly less than a cup of water. Add the water to the flour and start kneading till the dough becomes soft and consistent. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Make small balls, dip into flour and roll the dough flat. Add little bit of flour before rolling the dough so that it won't be sticky. Dust off excess flour and cooked it on a preheated iron pan. When the color darkens, flip the chapati on the other side and use a cloth to press the side so that the chapati cooks evenly. Press on the side of the chapati. It helps to puff the chapati. Simple yet nutritious and delicious chapati is ready, and it can be served with any kind of curry.